Hi, I'm Claire Sixsmith. I'm the Commercial Director for IFPL Group. We've been able to experience the A320 retrofit here today with Electra Airways, which has been fantastic. We're able to see our own Spectrum lighting, Lantal textiles and their beautiful carpets, and also Acro seating. All of it coming together with the Airbus Design Studio was fantastic, and it's a really, really, really great looking aircraft.
It's been quite a new experience for us. We've been establishing the design service offer from Airbus 1.5 years ago, and Electra was one of our first customers. We started by redefining the brand, calling out what kind of the evolution potential this brand would have, and they've been following, and we had such a good collaboration with them because they trusted us, and I think the result speaks for it itself.
We spent many hours on each detail. From the color of the stitching, to the design of the chair, to the color of the fabrics, the patterns that we will have in each detail, from carpets, curtains, and even the lights were important and significant discussion.
We saved almost a ton of weight per aircraft. That means we chose the most up-to-date and lightweight seats. We went with Lantal as a supplier for the carpets, and then we brought it all together to this new cabin experience. And this is for us important. When we start with the brand, we really wanted to have at the end a customer experience that fits the brand that we defined at the beginning. And I think here we did a really good job.
It is great working with IFPL Group, seeing the Cobalt Spectrum lighting installed on board of our Electra Airways A320 aircraft. Spectrum is drop-in, easy to install, and it's very comfortable for our technical team to work with this product.
This Cobalt Spectrum lighting was actually really fast to be fit. It's different than the old ones. First of all, we had to replace the light bulbs most of the time. It's easy to replace the light bulb, but not the whole thing. With the new ones, we just have to screw the brackets in. It's easier than before because they are smaller and easier to be screwed and fixed. And it's much easier because we just have to click it in the fixing point, that's it. And the lamp is ready. It took only half the time to fit the new Spectrum lighting.
The huge color range meant that we could choose from thousands of options and make a perfect choice specifically for our branding standards and the project which we did together with Airbus Design Studio. The wireless controller enables our flight attendants, our crew, to easily change, turn it on, turn it off, and choose the particular mood option for the boarding, meal, sleeping time, and landing.
It has been a huge privilege working with Electra Airways. We've had a massive amount of flexibility, access to the aircraft, the A320, to enable us to see the refit, but also to enable us to play with our Spectrum lighting and show them the fantastic range of colours that we have.
I think that we have an excellent result. Accor did an excellent job. Cobalt lights, amazing effect. Change the atmosphere. You feel like it's a brand new aircraft.
I'm proud that we have managed to breathe a new life into the cabins of our aircraft, which are more than 20 years old. Thank you everyone, and congratulations with this successful project.